Today we're going to talk about the top 5 mistakes to avoid when doing fire cupping. By the end of this video, you will be a fire cupping master. I'm alyssadazetlac, the 6-figure acupuncturist, and I went from broke and struggling and almost giving up in my practice to 6-figure year after year after year. And now I've helped thousands of acupuncturists all around the world with the success of their practices, and now I'm going to help you too. For the best practice building advice to help you get patients, build a successful practice, and help to heal the world, be sure to hit subscribe down there and hit the bell so that you're notified every time a new video comes out on Tuesday. Alright, so let's talk about some mistakes to avoid when you're doing fire cupping. Some of the top challenges that I see practitioners have when doing fire cupping is being mindful of keeping your patient safe and comfortable while also creating a very powerful suction with the cup. The first mistake to avoid when you're fire cupping your patients is to make sure that your dominant hand is holding the cup and your non-dominant hand is holding the fire. The dominant hand needs to be on the same side that your patient is on. So you don't want to have your patient on this side. You want to have your patient on this side. In this video here, my dominant hand is on the side that my patient is on, and the fire hand is on the outside. Always be sure that you're keeping your fire and your flame as far away from your patient as possible. Try to never hold it above your patient directly, especially above their hair. The second mistake that you want to avoid when fire cupping is making sure that your cup is angled downward. This is important because what's creating the suction is your flame in the cup and the heat. And so if you're doing it like this, the heat is coming right out of the top. You need to do it like this and then move really fast, which we'll talk about next, so that the heat stays in the cup. As you can see in this video, my cup is always angled downwards when I'm doing fire cupping. About 45 degrees is a good angle. The next mistake you want to avoid is moving too slowly. Fire cupping is fast, and that's because the heat in your cup is going to dissipate super quickly. So you need to be able to move it from the flame to the patient very quickly in order to create that strong suction. It's gonna be this quick. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see in this video here, I move very, very quickly from flame to patient with the cup. The next mistake you want to avoid when doing your fire cupping is keeping the flame in the cup for too long. That's so dangerous. When you have your flame, no, it goes in and out of your cup very smoothly and quickly. That's it. That's it. As long as your cup is at the right angle, that's all it needs. That is as much as it needs. Sometimes it puts it out. When you're holding your flame in your cup for longer and longer and longer, this is creating heat in the glass. So when you hold it and then you put it on your patient, you're going to burn your patient. I've seen some horror videos of this on YouTube, so I want to make sure that everybody understands the correct timing. As you can see in this video, I do not hold the flame in the cup for very long at all. Don't burn your patients. And the fifth and final mistake to avoid when fire cupping is not pressing down next to the cup when you're removing them. As you can see in this video, I press down next to each cup before pulling on them to release the suction. Don't try to pull it off or twist it off without first releasing the suction. Remember, you want your patients to feel comfortable, so don't burn them and don't try and rip the cups off of them either. Once you avoid these 5 mistakes, you will become a cupping master. And cupping is a super powerful modality to use on your patients. I love cupping and I am a cupping queen. For more tips on how to build a successful practice, live your dream life, and help to heal the world, go to sixfigureacupuncturist.com/mindsetmondaymail and put your email in to receive an email every Monday with 3 inspirational business tips. Check out this video next to learn from start to end exactly how to do fire cupping while avoiding those 5 mistakes that you just learned. If you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment down below, and be sure to share it with your acupuncture buddies. Keep healing the world and let's mainstream Eastern medicine.